shibenta ban pinsa priang ka khubor halor ka jings new bat ka jingjlei Jong udrox hapo ka jalla ka Bhoi district police ha ka jingis nokti lang bat ka Union Christian College UCC umiam menta ka sngi ka yo ban same ka khubor lingba ka awareness program halor ka phang drugs abuse and illicit trafficking ya ka balapin long ha UCC auditorium hall umiam. Hagani kasngi lawan bandan ringkat da Dr. LR Bishnoi, Director General of Police Meghalaya Kum Ukongsan, lembat kiwe ki he officer nakatanat police, kinong hikai bat da ki spangut ki kena school Jong ki lai tali ki school, ki bakentup ka James Memorial Higher Secondary School, St. Francis DSCC Higher Secondary School, bat ka Union Christian Higher Secondary School. Hadian ketika awareness program ki kena pule jong kita ki lai tali ki school kila yoru ban sakhi ya ka megha shakti drill bala pen I da ka Kynhun SF-10 Commando jong ki Kynthei ka jing thmu ban pen I ya ketika drill ka long kum shibenta ban ai men sia me ki kena pule ki batrang shisha ban long pulet la shai la shisngi.
Which can change the function of your nervous system is a drug. And why it is known as narcotic drugs? Because the drugs is derived from the plants. And there are 3 plants on this planet from which drug is derived. First is poppy plant, opium poppy. Second is cannabis plant, also known as hemp. And third is coca plant. And where coca plant is found? Any idea? Coca plant is not found in India. Anybody has any guess where it is found? Mainly it is grown in the South American countries, or so-called Latin America, like Mexico, Colombia, Brazil, Argentina, Paraguay, Uruguay. These are the Latin American countries where the coca plant is grown. So from coca plant, cocaine is made. From the poppy plant, opium is made. And from the cannabis plant, we get it cannabis, or marijuana, or in common parlance it is known as ganja. Okay? But you might be thinking why administration is not destroying all these plants and control the problem forever. It's not possible. Even if you destroy, eliminate all these 3 plants from the planet, still drug problem will remain. Why? Any guess? Any idea? You might be under the impression that when the police are seizing various kinds of drugs, many of them are synthetic drugs, like amphetamine tablets, like lysergic acid diphenamide. All these are synthetic drugs which can be easily manufactured in the laboratories. For them, you need not to depend on the plant sources. And this problem is not only in India, not only in Meghalaya, not only in Northeast, but it is a worldwide problem. It's a global problem. In America, in states, highly developed states like America, nearly 1 lakh people are losing their lives every year to the drug abuse. So this is a very, very serious problem. So when we think of the reasons why students are falling prey to the drugs, why they are taking drugs, I am not saying that students here in the UCC are taking drugs, but you must be aware how we can prevent this problem. So that our MSS officer has given you some presentation and shown you some slides where the regions were described why the youth are taking drugs. So first region is the peer group pressure. Peer group means the pressure from your friends, pressure from the students. So when you select the friends, please be careful that good friends and nice youth are selected. If anybody is a spoiled brat, and if you make him a close friend, then he will influence your behavior and tempt you for drugs. Second is curiosity. Some students are curious, let us check it, what is this? And once you take it, it's very difficult to come out of it. Because the drugs like heroin, you require very, very small doses. 150 milligram only in one dose. And if any youth takes 3 doses, 150 milligram, 150 milligram, 150 milligram, mean total 450 milligram, that is less than half a gram. After taking those 3 doses, the youth will become addict permanently, and then it will